Okay, now I'm out in the woods and I'm going to make this alien noise out here. You can see I'm down a gravel road, no plugins, no speakers, nothing. See? Here we go. You can't hear any noise, nothing hanging from the trees, no aliens around. Okay, are we ready for this? Wait for it. Wait for it. Here it comes. You're about to hear an alien noise, mysteriously preparing in the middle of the woods, just like... Oh wait, here it comes. God. Are you getting this?